Hello, good afternoon, guys. Today I'm using the Maguire headlight cleaning solution, and I can see a clear difference between the ones which I sprayed the Maguire spray on, and the other one which I did not spray. So I'm going to show you the difference between both the headlights. So what I did was I used this one, the solution, initially to clean the headlights. So you use the sponge they give you, and you put a quarter sized solution on top of that, and then you clean the headlights, and then wipe it with a damp cloth afterwards, and then you spray with the Maguire headlight cleaning solution. So this spray, what happens is once you sprayed it, it becomes like that. So there's a clear difference between this headlight and the one which I haven't sprayed. So you can see it is still kind of frosted, and here it is very clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I spray it, right? So I mask around the headlights and see how it is right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the Maguiars. Spray here. You can clearly see the difference. So you see, guys, how it is now. It's shiny. It's just like a new headlight right now. And you can spray one more coat on top of the other one. So what I'm going to do is, after 2 minutes, it's still wet, so you have to wait till it is dry and then spray it once more. So still it is wet, so I'll just wait for a few minutes and then I'll coat it once more, so it becomes like a new headlight. Hope you enjoy the videos, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to see new videos on my channel. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye bye.